guys, it's me, Adrian. Today I'm going to be reading another story. This is called If You Give a Dog a Donut, written by numeroff, illustrated by Felicia. Let's do this. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him the apple juice, he'll drink it all. Then he'll ask for more. He'll go outside to pick apples. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball. You want to play. That's mostly what these ladies do. They like to think of Mercury. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. Of course, you'll also need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. These are his happy dances. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so you'll need some water. You'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. What will that make him think of? I think so too. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend that he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He wants to do all these sorts of things today. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It'll go higher and higher. Until it gets tangled in the apple tree. It's my kitty. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, what do you think? Me too. You want a donut to go with it. My cat's in the way. I hope you like this video and the story. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.